Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today you're going to learn how to sign home and food signs. This is technically part 3 of our 150 essential signs in ASL, where we take 25 or so signs that we feel like you need to know when learning ASL. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because we have some bonus content where you'll learn how to put these signs into sentences. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified. Let's learn how to sign some more 150 signs in ASL. Before we get started, you'll notice that several of these signs are what we call iconic signs, meaning the signs look like what it is. It's important to know that ASL is not just gestures, it's a full and complete language. Keep practicing and you'll get to dig deeper into this beautiful language. So let's learn how to sign some items that you would find in a home. Bathroom. Bathroom. It's the letter T for toilet, which can also mean toilet or restroom. Bathroom. Buy. Buy. Imagine your dominant hand is holding some money and you're giving it to somebody. Buy. Car. Car. It's just like you're driving a car. Car. Clean. Clean. Think of dusting something off. Clean. Home. Home. It's a flat O going across the side of your face. Home. House. House. Make the roof and the walls of the house. House. Kitchen. Kitchen or kitchen. It's like the sign for cook but with the K, or a shaking K, or cook room. Kitchen, kitchen, or kitchen. Living room or living room. It's the letter L on your chest or the sign for formal room. Living room or living room. 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 Your hands are making the shape of a room. Room. Telephone. Telephone. Your pinky and your thumb are acting like a telephone. Telephone. Text. Text. Just act like you're texting. Text. Walk or walk. This is you walking. This is somebody else walking. Walk or walk. Now, there are several more home signs that I will share with you in a future video, but we're just getting started. So let's learn how to sign some food signs. Yum. Bread. Bread. This is like your bread that you're slicing. Bread. Candy. Candy. You use your index finger and twist it right at your cheek. Candy. Cheese. Cheese. It's like you're grating the cheese. Cheese. Cook. Cook. It's just like you're flipping something when you're cooking it. Cook. Cookies. Cookies. You're just making the shape of a cookie. Cookies. Drink. Drink. It's like you're holding the cup and drinking it. Drink. Eat. Food. Eat. Food. When you're eating, it goes in, and food goes twice. Eat. Food. Hamburger. Hamburger. It's like you're making the hamburger patty. Hamburger. Ice cream. Ice cream. Just like you're licking an ice cream cone. Ice cream. Milk. Milk. It's just like you're milking a cow. Milk. Sandwich. Sandwich. You're making the shape of a sandwich and putting it in your mouth. Sandwich. Soda. Pop or Coke. It's your middle finger and then it's pushing down, just like making a popping sound. Soda, pop, or Coke. Water. Water. It's the letter W right here at your lips. water. I don't know about you, but practicing all those signs about food, I'm getting hungry. Now, that does it for our vocabulary for this video, but let's use those words and put them into sentences. The house cleaning is done. House, clean, finish. And when you do finish, go fsh. Fsh. Do you want some milk and cookies? You want milk, cookies, you? When you're doing this, you do a shoulder shift because there's two items that you're talking about. I like Sprite. I like soda, Sprite. You're going to say what the item is and then fingerspell the item itself. I'm done with my hamburger. Now I want some ice cream. Hamburger finished, ice cream want. Psh. All right, you're one step closer to mastering ASL. If you'd like to watch other parts of the 150 Essential Sign series, click here or follow the link in the description. Don't forget to keep signing. It's the best way to learn. We'll be releasing another video next week, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.